Today we're going to talk about patterns. And right here I have a linear pattern using Q-tips. And I made triangles with my pattern. Okay? So we're going to go and fill out this chart using this pattern. And so on step 1, we need to figure out how many Q-tips there are. So in triangle 1, we're going to look at how many Q-tips there are. So we're going to make our own model underneath it to match. Can you make one triangle? Okay. Good. Now this triangle matches this one. How many Q-tips did you use in this first one? 3. Okay. Okay, now we need to figure out how many we have in step 2. Triangle 2. Could you add another triangle? Okay. Now how many Q-tips did you add?
Only 2.
Only 2. So how many Q-tips did it take to make 2 triangles?
2.
Did it make 2 triangles?
Oh.
Altogether?
5.
5. Good job. Okay, now let's do triangle number 3. Let's make a model that looks like these 3. How many more Q-tips do we need?
Just 2.
Just 2. Okay, so for 3 triangles, how many Q-tips were there?
7.
Perfect. And does our model still look like theirs?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do triangle number 4. How many Q-tips are going to be needed for the 4th triangle?
Probably just 2.
Good. Okay, and then how many Q-tips is that? For 4? 9. Alright, let's add a 5th triangle.
Okay.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. So how many Q-tips?
12. 11.
11. Good. Are you starting to see a pattern?
Yes.
Okay, now let's make our last triangle. We added 2 more Q-tips. So that's going to be how many total?
13.
Good. Okay, so now our model looks like theirs. And as we went by each triangle, how many Q-tips did you add?
2.
Good, you added 2 Q-tips for every triangle. So now we need to make a rule, because I need to know how many Q-tips there are if we made 20 triangles. But to make 20 triangles is a lot of work.
Yeah.
So we're going to make a rule that'll make it easier. What do you think our rule might look like?
Just add 2 triangles or 2 Q-tips.
Okay. Alright, so if we had 5 triangles, or if we had 2 triangles, and we added 2 more, is 2 plus 2 going to give us 5?
No.
No, what else would we have to do if we did 2 plus 2?
You'd
Or 2
have
times
to
2.
add something.
We have to add, right? You'd add. So if we did 2 and we multiplied it by 2, that'd give us 4. How much more would we add for 5?
1.
1. Okay, now what if we multiplied 3 by 2 and added 1?
6, no.
3
7
times 2, and then
times 2, so 7.
plus 1, and that gives us 7. Okay, so our rule could be 2 times whatever step, so we'll do x, plus 1. Okay?
Okay.
So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 gives us 3.
Right.
Now let's check and make sure that rule works for all of our numbers.
Okay.
How about 2 times 2?
4.
Plus 1?
5.
Okay. 3 times 2?
6.
Plus 1?
7.
Okay. 4 times 2?
8.
Plus 1?
9.
Okay, so that works.
Mm-hmm.
And then 2 times 5?
10.
Plus 1?
11.
Perfect. And 6 times 2?
12.
Plus 1?
13.
So does our rule work for all of them?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now can you use the rule and figure out how many Q-tips there would be for 20 triangles?
Okay. 2 times 20 steps
Good.
plus 1. So 40 plus 1 is 41.
Perfect. Now you know all about linear patterns.